you. Yeah, you. Have you ever wondered how to make custom Roblox materials like this for your terrain to stick out from all the other games on the platform? Well, keep watching and find out. Yo, what's up, guys? How are we doing today? We're doing good. We're doing good. I have recently started using Material Service, which is a beta feature. I think it does come out very, very shortly. But if it's not out by the time you're watching this video, first things first, you're going to want to go up to your file button right here, click on beta features, and, get the ones you want. This one is Material Service, so you'll just scroll through here, right there, Material Service, and just check that, save, and you'll be all good. Now that you have enabled Material Service, you have a new tab called Material Service right here under Lighting, and what you need to do is right-click on it, insert object, and you want to insert a material variant. I already have a few extra in here, so we're just going to work off one of those. Now, how this works is you need PBR materials. Basically, each material you put in, you need a color map, a metalness map, normal map, and roughness map. You don't need every single one of those. For example, none of mine are using metalness maps, but you can if you have like a metal, and you want to have a metal map for your metal material. Anyways, let's go ahead and show you guys how to do this. The next texture that I'm going to go ahead and put in, we'll make it brick. So you don't need to name these, but it does help a lot. So I'm just going to name this brick like so. And then base material. This is the material that we're selecting for it to replace. So we're going to go find bricks right there. And now we need to open up our color map. Add image. And you'll basically need to go on your computer wherever you saved your PBR material to and add that image into the game. So I have this one. And you'll do the same thing with the other maps. Right after I import these, I will show you guys how to get PBR materials if you don't know how to make them. Alright, so after you have in all your maps, whether that be color map only or any of them that you have, put those in, and then you're going to head back up and click on Material Service, go into Properties, find what you want to overdrive. So it doesn't have to be the materials, but it could be. And it could also just be terrain. And that's all I'm focused on at the moment. Brick would make a lot more sense if I did it in materials. So, let me just kind of show you guys this. We'll put a part down. And now all we got to do is change this material to brick. And it will be our new texture, okay? Now, this looks so cool in comparison to the Roblox materials, and it's just a great way to stylize your game and stick out in a crowd of people. So let's go ahead and I don't know, just put a brick wall back here, because why not? I guess that works. Just a brick wall. Nice. Now, I'm guessing you guys are wondering, yo, where do we get these PBR materials? I don't even know what a PBR material is. How do I do this? So there is this website right here called freepbr.com. And yeah, you could download any PBR texture for free. It does look like there is some paid stuff, like all 400 plus PBR texture sets in one click. So if you don't want to go through this whole website and you wanted to say spend $9, it looks like you just get the whole website in one click. So it depends if you want to be lazy or not. Anyways, what you want to look for first, say you want to change your grass or your ground. Let's go ahead, click on ground. And now you can see we have grass, we have lavas, just all this stuff that we're going to need. And you can put all of this right into Roblox. So you'll click on what you want. And this next part is very important. So these attachments, these are your downloads. There's a Lava and Rock BL, Lava and Rock UE, and Lava and Rock Unity. So this one is set up for Unity. You don't want that. This one is set up for Unreal Engine. You don't want that. And this BL is going to give you PNGs of everything that you need. So you'll download this BL one right here. And once you download it, you'll get it in this zip file. You just open that up, and here's all of your PNGs. There's even JPEG. So click on one of these, and here is the texture. Now, this would be your base color. This one's emissive. This one would be ambient occlusion. That's what AO is. Roblox doesn't really have a spot for that, or height. But you have your metal map right here, your normal map right here, preview, and your roughness map. So you have all the maps you need to take it into Roblox and get your very own custom materials. Now, the great thing about PBR, first off, you can make your own as well. You don't have to go to any websites. You don't have to do any of that. I still am new. I don't know how to do all of that. The websites are definitely the best bet for us starters, and it's just so cool how much different you can make your game than any other Roblox game. So if we just kind of take a look at some of this stuff that I have, let me kind of grow something here. Grow, let's make it rock, and I'm just gonna put it like right here. All right, now this is the custom rock that I got. I'm just kind of making this pretty massive. All right, so something like this, and then I have a custom lava. So if I go to paint, set that down to 1, the lava one always breaks for me for some reason. If your material does break, which it still is in beta, so that's to happen, just go back to it and redo your color map. So click on this, add image, find your lava map, bring it back in, and there we go. There's the custom lava for this one, or at least like this texture set here. And if it breaks, you just gotta bring it back in. That's all, guys. This lava kind of looks more like honey, but I'll take it. Still pretty cool. I need like a more of a black rock texture, but look at this. In like the shortest span of time, look at that. It's just, it doesn't even look like Roblox anymore, which is so good for the platform. Everyone will be able to have like limitless styles with this. So make sure you learn how to use this before it comes fully out. It's going to help you build a ton. And I'm just super excited to see what everybody does with it because it's literally endless. Like, possibilities are quite literally endless. So guys, hopefully you did enjoy this video. If you did and it helped you out, please make sure to smash that like button. Your boy is trying to grow over here on the YouTubes. But it's gonna wrap it up. Make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. Have a great day. Later.